everyone, it's Mister Moosberry here, in the sun, on the beach. How fun is that? It's super fun. Look at that water behind me. I'm gonna go swimming soon. But for now, while I'm in the sun, I gotta use my sunscreen. And this is the one I like the most, because I like that it's called Sun Bum. It makes me laugh, because I put it on my bum. And I put it on my legs, and I put it on my arms, and my face, because you got to protect yourself from the sun. Very important. So I use 50, but it's also 30, and he even got this stuff for the lips. Oh, hold on. The lips, very important. Put it on your lips so you don't get burnt. Okay, so have fun at the beach this summer, and stay safe. Yay! Happy summer!
Now that I've got my sunblock on, I can relax in the sun. But I do have some fun things to share about ways you can have fun on the beach once you're done relaxing. Very important. Number one, when you're relaxing, is a comfy chair, fun toys, and goggles for when you swim underwater.
You gotta wear your sunglasses when you're in the sun. How funny is that? They call them exactly what they're for. They're sunglasses, and you wear them in the sun. Very important to protect those eyes. And then when you go inside, you put them up like that, and then you look super cool. All right, you guys, wear your sunglasses. Okay, so the last thing you need for a really fun day at the beach is yummy food. Fill your tummy with good stuff and ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Yay! Okay, have a fun summer at the beach. Enjoy yourselves and be safe. Mwah!